Let's start in Wuji posture. Feet are about shoulder width apart. Joints are relaxed, knees are soft. Gently tuck the tailbone under to reduce the curve in your lumbar spine. Lengthen up the back of the neck, the crown of the head reaching for the sky. And gently tuck the chin in. Soften your breath and feel your breath sinking down into the lower dantian. As you inhale, the belly expands. As you exhale, the belly contracts. Chest is soft. Soften your face, soften your gaze, and come into the present moment. And lastly, bring a smile to your face and let this smiling energy shine from your heart. Now slide your hands up the sides, around to the back, and place your palms over your kidneys. And we're going to inhale into the kidneys. Expand the kidneys. And as you exhale, feel the kidneys contract. So breathe into the belly and breathe into the back, filling the kidneys with light. Exhale, contracts. One more big breath into the kidneys. Exhale, release. Now with okay signs, gently tap on the kidneys. Tap up and down the spine, over the sacrum, bringing energy into the kidneys. Creating warmth in the kidneys. And again, placing your palms over the kidneys. Inhale into the back body and puff up the kidneys. Exhale, feel them contract. Inhale. Exhale. Filling up the kidneys like little balloons. Exhale. Relax the hands down by the sides. Reset into the Taiji pole in your Wuji posture. You're going to gently shift your weight from side to side as you rotate the torso. And then as the hands gain momentum, tapping across the low back and the lower dantian. You can look over one shoulder as you rotate. This is called knocking on the door of life, activating the Ming Men point for energetic support. Tapping across the kidneys, tapping across the lower dantian. And slowing it down, coming back to center. Bringing the palms facing the lower dantian, we're going to go into fire breathing, into Qi Hua. So you'll inhale and expand the belly, and on the exhale, it's a forceful or a strong exhale out the nose. A short, strong exhale out the nose. So let's begin. Inhale into the belly, and Hold the breath out. Expand the palms open. And let the chi go where it needs to go. And relax. And again, inhale, belly expands, and hold the breath out. Expand the hands out. And let the chi flow where it needs to flow. Take a nice inhale, float the hands up. Exhale, drawing energy down from the head, down, 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 back into the lower dantian. Inhale up. Bringing any heat down from the head into the lower dantian. Inhale up. Exhale down. And relax the hands down by the sides. And let's shake it all out. Gently bend at the knees, bouncing the body, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the hands and the arms. Let's keep the feet connected to the mat here to maintain a sense of grounded. And just bend at the knees, shake it all off, shake like a tree. As if you're shaking off all of your leaves, letting go of any worry, nervousness, letting go of any stress or anxiety, and just letting it fall into the earth. Mother Earth is the great recycler to transform these negative energies. And let's bring in the spleen sound. And slow it down, coming back into our Wuji posture, and just feel the energy, feel the reverb. Now bring your palms facing each other. We're going to inhale as the hands get wider. Exhale, the hands come together. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. We're going to start to make a chi ball. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the energy between your palms. You might start to feel a little magnet, some magnetism as your hands come together and expand. Now start to lengthen the breath. So as you inhale, hands get wider. Exhale, contract. Inhale. Exhale. So we're moving into full body breathing here. Inhale. Exhale. They say the skin is the second set of lungs. So breathe in clean, pure energy with every pore of your skin. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. The movement is happening with your arms. so you can feel the energy between your palms. Making the movement a little smaller now. Coming back to forming the chi ball. This is your unique energy signature, forming that chi ball. Now we're going to take this, draw it up our central channel over the crown of the head, and just hold this chi ball over the crown of your head for a moment. This is a standing posture called embracing heaven. And then we're going to take an inhale and take the hands out to the sides, palm facing out. We're going to gather in energy from the sun and the moon into the palms. Imagine you have suction cups on your palms and you can spiral your hands, drawing that energy into the palms. And from here, we're going to take an inhale, draw the chi in, spiral the hands, and push forward on the exhale. Inhale, pull back in. Exhale, press down, bend at the knees, gather earth energy. Inhale, up the center. Exhale, hold the chi over the crown of the head. And hands out to the sides. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Bend, gather. Chi rises and hold. Out to the sides. Inhale, exhale. Chi draws in, chi falls, chi gathers. Chi rises and hold. Do a couple on your own. Inhale. Last one. Chi draws in. Chi pushes out. Chi pulls in. Chi falls. Chi gathers. Inhale up and hold. Find that Tai Chi pole again. Reset. Tuck the tailbone so the lumbar is neutral, chin is tucked. Now bring your mind into your head, and you're focused onto your ears, your auditory system, and the ringing in your ears. And be kind to yourself and accepting of this ringing. Now bring the intention of healing and bring a smile to your face. And repeat after me out loud. This radiant healing light flows effortlessly through my head and my ears, dissolving any blocked energy, soothing my auditory system, and restoring perfect harmony to my hearing and nervous system. And bring this healing energy down the front body. And come down and face the palms towards the lower danchen and bow chi. Just hold the chi. Now rotate to your left. Rotate your torso to your left. Curl the fingers in a little and draw up the center line to the crown of the head. Rotate back to center and the hands float down. Other side. We rotate with the torso. Draw up the center line. Inhale. Come back to center. Exhale. This tree turns left and right. So inhale, draw energy up. Center, exhale down. This exercise promotes Qi flow through the central channel. As we inhale and draw up, we're tracing energy through the meridians, the liver and the gallbladder. And the twisting is a nice massage for the kidneys. Inhale up. Exhale. And hold. Now step your left foot forward on the 45, not too far. Place the opposite hand behind your back. We're going to go in and start to gather starlight into the danchen. So as you shift your weight to the front and to the back, gathering energy into the lower danchen. The lower danchen is our connection to our physical health and our physical body. Now come up to the middle danchen. Gathering starlight, drawing it in to the heart center. Our connection to humanity. It's where we foster relationships. And just flowing through the exercise like water. And then drawing starlight into the upper danchen. So guide starlight into the mid-eye point between the eyebrows. And this is where we can cultivate mindfulness and silence in the mind. And then start to come back down to the middle danchen and then the lower danchen. We'll step the foot back, alternate the hands, step the other foot forward just on the 45, shift the weight back, shift the weight front. Gathering energy into the lower danchen. And into the middle danchen. This exercise is designed to raise our vibration. Keep breathing. Try to synchronize your breath with the movement. And gather energy into the upper danchen. When the 3 danchen are full, we feel empowered and resilient. And back down to the middle danchen and the lower danchen. And step back. Bring the hands to Bao Chi. Rotate, palms facing palm. We're going to press the hands out, back of the hands come up to about collarbone and float back down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is called the fountain. And we're mimicking the flow of water, tracing the kidney meridian up the center line to the collarbones and floating down. There might be a slight undulation in the spine, a wave-like motion. And then bringing the hands together. And we're going to infuse our chi ball again with white healing light. Feel the energy between your palms. We're going to rotate or circulate all this clean energy through the microcosmic orbit by turning the wheel. We'll start with the first loop. So draw the hands up the sides, up to about the Mingmen. And then it comes through the front of the navel and then falls back down. So energy flows up, through, and down. So we inhale as it comes up. Exhale as it falls. Inhale, exhale. Let's bring this up to the second loop. So coming up to the middle of the chest, energy comes through at the heart center and falls down. You can have a slight contraction in the perineum as it comes up and through, and then as you exhale, just release. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Now coming up to the full microcosmic orbit. Inhale, energy up the back of the neck, over the crown of the head, and let that fall down the front of the face, front of the body. And again, inhale up, guiding the energy up and over the head, and it falls back down. Fire path is up the back. Water path down the front. So with this exercise, we're balancing yin and yang. Feel the energy circulating through this microcosmic orbit. Your hands are just guiding the energy. The energy is moving and circulating as it needs to. Last one, inhale up, exhale down. Bringing the hands back down, palms facing the lower danchen. Continue to feel the energy circulating. Finding your Wuji posture again. Now we're going to integrate all this beautiful clean chi. So take your left hand out to the side and draw it down the center line, back down to the lower danchen. Other hand, inhale, exhale. Inhale, balancing mind, heart, and body. Balancing the upper dantian, middle dantian, lower dantian. Last one. Beautiful. Bring the hands palm over the lower dantian. Step the feet together. And just allow your body to sway back and forth, side to side. And trust in your body's ability to always come back to balance. And then just come into stillness. Bring a smile to your face. And just connect with the silence.